into a seagoon.
Catch up with the baby.
Nanchin and swear.
But the baby.
Now, because you are about where?
Catch up
Which ready? Aduane de ye e wo twere no osenkafo 14 nchichemu du wotwe osi esese nipa wudidie na wonom na wo bre so mfaso ba che wabi afama me fato adie mu mame na menka wa ba kosem bi odefo bi osuma no nko aduduma de bi hye wonsa yedi ka ne efe no Rollins di otoso mienu so de kofo yo to so miensa na asema areho ya ho pe ofa so we nti embe se mebo ni din enso efri ni efre and yo to so no ye fe no Mahama na de oto se si ene a wodi dwuma ni efre no Akufo Addo na de no ade kofo no ba obeye nwuma mpepre ono na de National Health Insurance ba ye oba akọ no de Mahama no nso so confirm free same by ya who baby and confirm the file say you this one was a bobby bray was 1 village 1 dime so you win but I could why and it's all mamma friend who school free I could never so there any we are see a hinty your confirm by any person or some back on your should give. And so the free SHS abano. On so year in the term. The daddy dra, you be who amaga. Mammy, we so say, you knew me a beer, you know, when a year.
Ziba biabeko Pepe Afiana Ziba beko Eva Ziba biabeko Aba la 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 Abusiano so abapamu. I say ga forecast we as bibia whatever. Everyone so say ye day. Shokron crunch my dear na de bremo. So I cow. You October bosom no mu enne eye mu nafo di ono so. Aha ya Asida Radio Fiji so www.asidaradio.com topmodernghana.com and sabekan na ko Ghana Expo. That was papa so we Fiji na to na ibrei na utie. Said na daro mamu nyina mo ho ye pa. We did Kingsley kwa me to for na ibrei so. You was some pa e se fatamo no e de bremu nyina. Na ne se ya sha ase no. Se ne ya sha ase no ye nkono boko sa. Ene nye boko bete sa. Ye wa se bi aye ka say last days are dangerous. Wa wunyina jo. The true mo mo share on Facebook ho. Mo amutie on radio section ho no. When I in a free Africa, no many so papa, one more Cote d'Ivoire, one more Nigeria, South Africa for last week in coming from Cotonou. And I'm going to see Ghana for a hand, Muti and any red. I'm going to see papa. Every song. Ça me call Facebook aussi ici à mais on sait on y a mené pas Thomas Amate every Holland wa baso na ore ave Prince Jerry Mensa also good work preacher. That was a papa cross Gabby and so anyway free Italy no the abbas is here. I was say good evening brethren and good work watching you live from Italy. Kofi Augustine, Kofi of fine, I am a mention come Kofi na I can't view now the city any Jan out by Kofi or Italy. Right, then I'm in shop Jerry J. Brook. I say good evening, men of God. Yamio. Safo Kweku Prince. I say good evening, brethren. Good evening to you, Safo. Sheila Auku. Sheila is saying. Yana Boko, yeah. Akwesi can come. Is that brother done again? Hey, yes. He's the one. Oh, huh? Does he rest at all? Over there, home, Papa, will you? Yeah, near Hanu, what for be a dear in the shame, and in a home cry. Yabe, the strong one in what and tell the man. Have a way every Daniel upon all the free Ghana and what they buy. I'm watching you live from Ghana. Good evening to you, Danny boy. Ghana to say Asante MC Michael. I was Papa Alice Hammond anyway nearby. God bless you all watching you live from Columbus, Ohio. After Japanese abed Ajay Poku. A Church of Christ has opened. And then you may your shame, pa. A Japanese Bibia will call there. After Kwasi can come the way every professor. I don't know who's Siama. Was it well, bro? God continue to bless you. and give you strength to continue propagating the gospel. Vampire man of Wefrey Evans so for we are Tahon or whatever. I'm watching you live from Tadi, Takra de Tadi for one more to then. Mark A. Omar, Eddie Free Spain by Mark the only one, not just see any whole crowd. Mark, I'm bringing him to be a boko, a shelpa. David watching so say, me shamo a free Antwerp. I may shramopa, and then again, I can come the way free London and what they buy. Because this is me shamo a free London and you bring so yet, yeah. Upon was the old and Mamuna Quaba. I won't say more Quaba, pa, Shage Medina for my head. I say, yeah, what Philip anyway free Italy or the buy. I was semi free Italy. And I reach out among Qua. Good evening, more fire. Ujawum. Last days are dangerous. And I'm winning us, Beatrice Boateng. Good evening, brethren. Good evening to you, Beatrice. Watching you live from US of A, that's the Papa Beatrice. I've been for Hunter Isaac. I'll say good evening, brothers. So I was saying, Breno, Ason, say a day, Chokron Crunch Mediana day, Abramusisia, Sran, Cohen, Fama, on his services. One at also as soon as Mediana, Abram and you may come on his service and I say no, a war 20 or can you take close at Dental House and crying. I'm on the service number is no 0023324461293 0023324461293 and 0023330393717. I'm on the service says Bogus no more money who knows what to cry. I dear ya pan and say Massa Wabet no butchery. Now her swing what debate 5 years, 10 years. Now be kwa ko dru o my Ghana mu pa na woni hu. Aya na at sempa. Na be ye 1 week time no. Ubon say aya na ye ju first wo fase for no fa bo. Ufufu so nam se tie ni. Masa every 3 months e ho e ko no. Ni ye hwe na so ofa woni agapade bia wo my Ghana mu a ni ye ti nam no so. Afi wona fo no mo so ase bisa na ikwaku be koda ben eni ade e nsempi. Are hu sem no se nya se wanka se obebobra. Enya obo apayo dem mo di sika no koma abusuafo wo de koma yonko bi e na wadi uhwammo efie no wansi asase no awanto e na odi obi photo aba ba kire wo me ka se bi kura mpo anafa bi tu uni bi enti godifo so mu a na edo kwa are wo sempa e no wan hwe yi a menua wo be bodam wan hwe a wo be bodam e ya are wo sem e no e na amano no service say wa hunu yembre e haso ayete no waba so oba be sie yen isan say watena amano ne ha e no wa hunu yembre. When I say na about 20 or can you take close at Dental House Accra. Or says I hope say we see fear na ubue adwuma bi. Ana wodwuma a wo sha ase no enko ye ena obusuan sem ene no yonko sem a wodi uhwamo enti don't worry. I'm on the service say we are ready to help you. Omode na frɛ omo 0023324461293 and 0023330393717. Also, so we school bia e ho krata asem bia obebo le mom e agreement we sign contract the percentage you no aba no so a obetene de adi won so de wode wade e be ma ho kwa Bob's African Market e ye adwumaku a obo Bell Dickens Strat number 147 kwa Bob's African can show say you can import any exporter usan ho enye aduani bia wo pe bi adie no kwa Bob's obema obi afi wo person de no buy be free Ghana na wo de ba and now would be free now what they call Ghana. Kwa Bob saw the Nina Beko Eddie amount, contemporary tem. Ope say we a Jumani be, make us say Canada, or Spain, or hey, but be a will be a for Bob's. Say a possible. And once we be a dino be store be na baby a one or best supply with Imian Asia Diane and Africa Ediane. Kwa Bob say, Massa won't say you or that. No, today won't say him. And the bon home modern na any Kwa Bob's any ja. Ave o pese okoto African nuane bia efo na obedi ne fie kakra and also Kwa Bob's say obetumi aye ama o de usika no be ko Ghana ama contemporary tem eno passion ogina ho ana nipa no edge money transfer Kwa Bob's say no e wo Bell Dickens Strat 147 2060 Antwerp from 049982 6468 049982 6468. Abusia, Ebrenason, with all due respect, Mamen Fao Enko Studio 2, Sisia, Madum no. Na Menkoma Professor Akwaba. Na NS Osha, Professor without portfolio, ene Unihane. And a year Amsterdam Church of Christ. Wamo a preacher man, a mubakon ena ote FDA animono. Ena a year Professor Dr. Danowusu Esiama, and so Ekano. Mamenkona Mema Asofo Kukudami Akwaba. Professor Danowusu Esiama opening Akwaba.
Major so.
What's up to say?
I rather don't book
The Nyamiasi Papa. Amsterdam Church of Christ was in Pakani, St. Paul, and in Mwakaba.
Yenia,
What's up?
Radiadum, and Hoyafa.
The Nyamiasi Papa. I was saying any old boy now watching Chimfidia, Mamma, Quabana, Subontain or no, and Amy executive producer and you pray. Mamuna Quaba at the bar, Bible country, and Quanquanias. And let me show boss a baby at the Befano, a whole air throw. But a drunk Quanquanias, senior Munim no say, we are Archbishop, we are elder. Ofra wo pastor wo ye deacon asem a ye ka no efa ho asem a ye ka no efa ho ebetumi ama obuofu saa ne di akro no enso ha obufu a yem to twede wo ha ne ye de chro kronkron na ekon idie fa chro kronkron na nne anwumre money matters in the church asori any sikasem asori sika asori minim opani bia say waja asori because odeka wa asori. Into so do want to me entia. And I see dues be want to me entia. Panina sama all cano, a challenge in the pabebre, a bit said there be where you will be a little more young cassa. Esan says Sikan ye di yenya juma. And the Oko are sorry now, Peso be Sikadia, now won't pay yame a year cry, especially and to so do. So when Yamibe boy or some fancy amount, I just utia. Abusia asori any sika ene asori Church of Christ for omaba fidie so abeka na ene me ma wonu mo atimu bio Church of Christ sema yenye ntutu so dudu Professor Danowusu Esiama aye tips bebre ena Adom TV wajina the whole of Ghana akan semi yam obia ate enti dia asofo no kan say sa papa we a wo ye nim ha professor yi e ka wono nko ankanyame adwuma nkemu ko so mpese obi a edi sika ebe hye nyame adwuma mu se ye no boapayo ana enye no boapayo no ene wo ha obeyi ni nyina no edi aman Professor Danowusu Esiama asori ni sikasem ose de en afei me bie ahoma na tum se question bia wo wone ha wo tete wo e wo Church of Christ for e ho no sa wo ye Church of Christ ni ana wo nye Church of Christ ni no enne ye last day because Church of Christ for mo ankasa mumu no ensem na no ye wo ha no obi bebi san se ono ni CEO no ana oyi ano enti sikasem no ena ye de hye ase ene anwumre na osembakani St. Paul wa ha wona ben urade nti won fa emme urade kakra na ye hye ase osofo bompaye ma
adofo so mo me bompaye yeso so hene yekoso edawasi enanwure so
amen
kamfo etontomo ehewdin enumnyam yedawasi se enade nso wodi yenkwa edi ache bahwe yenso ifia no pa bisisa brei pamaboni bi antuye yaso etiase amodin eso a edina nkopon ne yedi aseda ena yi yenkwa ne yedi mawodin yedawasi se wodi yenko hwiade mu enade nso yedi osori edekoma wodin kronkron no ebre awodi aba bedu ha asundwe mu yesro so be hu yemo body amfum so biara edebeche yen na jumedi ayebedi ubefani nyina no edi amaye abra wonsem ebeto apeti yesro so wankasa obeboa yen titiro eni enu opani ejina nkopon ewesiesie ebiara waka no ho ama no akokuduro sɛ dada ne da ɔde ɛdom no no tumi ɛde akyerɛkyerɛ wo nsɛm mu sɛdeɛ ɛsitie yɛde ne nyinaa ɛbɛwia asomdwe mu a ɛbɛkɔ so ɛde waseda ɛde ama wo yɛsrɛ nteaseɛ ɛde ma etiefoɔ a wɔtie wo nsɛm so nyinara sɛ Nyankopɔn wobɛbia ɔmo adwene mu ama ɔmo nteaseɛ ɛne ehunumu ɛwɔ wo nsɛm emu ne nyinaa ewie yie ɛne pɛyɔ a ɛbɛkɔ so ɛde waseda ɛde ama wo wɛne ebisa wɔ Kristo Yesu a ɔyɛ yɛntɛm gyinafoɔ didi mu nti amen.
Amen. Abusua na wɔtwe akakakra bi na abɔ Church of Christ asɔre asɛm bɛɛ pɔtee ɛna wɔn mo ka ɛfa sikasɛm ɛho. Professor Dan Owusu asiama mɛsan mu akɔ abɛbi o.
Ya bɛgye so.
Ajapani ofiri ɔman Ghana mu ɛna ɔbae. Ɔhwɛ Ghana yɛwɔ mpanimfoɔ bi a asɔfoɔ kuku dam bi a ɛm sɛ ɔman Ghana wɔn mo kasa yɛnim sɛ wɔn bɛn Awurade paa. And me bo wudin a saa pepepe netie obi te sɛ Mensa Dr. Mensa Altabel obi te sɛ ɛyɛ onyame nipa Archbishop Duncan Williams friend papa obi te sɛ ɛyɛ Reverend Ajunasare ya Dr. Mpo anaasɛ ɛyiw ɔmo titles na ɛho hia wɔn paa nti wɔamfa nka ho a na ɛkɔfa nsɛm aba nyame bo apayo ɛna afei nso Reverend Eastwood Anaba saa sɔfo a mabobɔ wɔn din akakraka nyinaa no yɛbu wɔn man Ghana mu sɛ sɛ yɛka kyerɛ kronkron yi a wɔn mu nim Bible paa saa wɔn mu nyinaa ɛgye tight wɔn mu nyinaa gye afɔrebɔ wɔn mu nyinaa gye dues ahodoɔ sow seed ahodoɔ wɔn mu nyinaa ɛgye Professor Dan Owusu asiama woyɛ Bible scholar Unko kujina kontenkro against sa enkrofo a yehunu wom se omo so ye Bible scholars no no se yanyi sika no yentua ntutuso dudu Professor wo se ma yentua asori ni sika sem se na tie wo kyerokronkron kwan mu okwan no so na obi wo bibia otumi yesa e de pa na Professor woka
Yo minia me da se papa na atiefo nso so me ma mu nyina adwo ewo ye na Awurade Yesu Kristo edimu asɔre ane sikasam nia edika akra no baabi a mepasa metwe obia dwen ade gina so ɛwɔ asɔre ane sikasam ho ane sɛ Bible abɔ dodo a ɛgye ɔno Onyankopɔn edie no kokosɛ etwa sɛ yehwɛ yie ɛwɔ sikani bre ho sɛ yɛde saa kasa kyerɛ no ade tutu yɛn hofo na yɛde to hɔ no mu a ɛno na betumi aboa yɛn kɛse ama sɛ yɛka sikasɛm ɛho asɛm ɛwɔ Bible ni mu a yɛtumi agyina ɛkwan papa no so pɛpɛɛpɛ na mentwe atiefo adwen enyina biribi so ɛwɔ apam dadaa no mu Ebre bi odifo Elisha wone nakoa a yefa no Gehazi Onyankopɔn ɛfa odifo no so ɛsa owura bi a na ɔyɛ ɔkwatani ɛyare saa owura no na yefa no Naaman na ɔpani Naaman ɛyɛ sojani kɛse a kyerɛ sɛ osika ɛwɔ bibia na ebra so ya na okopɛ ayaresa ɛwɔ odifo Elisha enkyɛn no ɔkɔ no ɔde sika ɛne ɛmoa ɛne ntaadeɛ ɛne nneɛma horow bebree ɛna ɔde kɔɛ na Bible say odifo Elisha ɛka kyerɛ no sɛ Awurade Yehowa Nyankopɔn ɛte ase merenye bibiara na ampara odifo no anye hwe wo ebra na Onyankopɔn enam ne nsa so asa opani ne ma yare ɛhonko a ɛyɛ asamkɛse sɛ enemre mu odifo ene asofo ebi ebe claim sɛ Onyankopɔn enam ne so aye bibi ama obi na nipa kro no ɛma ne sika na ɔse wonye ɛhomampo ɛna edimande na Elisha abofra wone no enam a efa de Gehazi no ebra Elisha eka se onye hwe na Naaman ane ne nkwala a wone won etu kwan no omo simu a omo ekọ no adwenbone eba Gehazi etirim eye ne ya sa odifo na ma opani di sika bebrebe sei ane niam bebre sa no ode ekọ eti Bible say Gehazi eti Naaman na okaka kira ne say miwura ase afedie de oka so wonye no afedie obeje no ntino wasema no eniema ne bi na ampara Gehazi akwaje sika puduo akwaje eniema Onyankopon enam ne difo so kan se onye ewa yaresa wasa no enti na abusuafo de tro kronkron eka asama me no woka no me se ewo 2 Kings chapter 5 tunya daje a obetimi akenkan 2 Kings chapter 5 no be amadure no me kan every verse 21 na Gehazi akwaje sa eniema nyina na wiye ya no de ko wiye ene say kwata no a na ewo Naaman eho no Onyankopon transfer sa kwata no e de eba Gehazi eso na odifo no ka kya no say kwata ebeye no na on nasefo nyina e na kwata yare no ebeba wo so enti minia Bible no a eda ho no sikasam ene sikani bere sa de Ghana ye ka no sikani bere edo wafa na yesi ebesom Onyankopon na yamasikani bere edi anim awo de ye yimu a sa de enne yehu awo asore mu no a na aye arehosam papa na wo ka bibi say Church of Christ for the yesi yanyi sika yen ka sa Church of Christ in ka say yen fa sika enye nyame adwuma say radio so na yeti obi o wi asibia nim say yen kwa radio so kwa
utiaka
television programs ahoro a ye no yetua eho ka wo radio program awo Toronto Canada sametra sika yetua anopa bia say men kasa ba sasima aduenu no a hu bedwuru enunti ebeye unwise on my part or Church of Christ for part say you use sika e de sa na ma wenu mu nyina na ye beka say dabre ye kwa asore a ye nyiska yen ka sa emom de Church of Christ e kan say Bible say obi e ka asem a manon kan say Onyankopon ensem obi esom enso a onsom say ifra hoden a Onyankopon ade amamu na ya fa yewura Yesu Kristo no so ahye agya Nyankopon animonyam ewo ade nyinaa mu enti wa wotatie ye Church of Christ for no ya ye ka bibi ade kire adasaba nyinaa to the effect say Christianity is ordered after a definite pattern sabro for no ye pass ye kire no say Kristo som ewo ekwa poti bi a Onyankopon ade ato ho ade amaye anya sa Kristo som no obi a sori a ne ope na oye eti ekwan a eda ho a Onyankopon atwa ade ama Kristofo sa yemfa so ana yemfa nyi sika emfa mo odo Onyame adwuma no sa akwa no e de twa se ye fa so ensase ye de sika ni bere eye bibia e wa asori mu 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 10 Hon kronkron no say na boni enyina ni hini ane sikape boni ana sika ni bere a ibinumo adi akire na ode yaw bebre awo wo ho for the love of money is a root of all kinds of evil eti Bible no di adanse say sika ni bere eye boni ahodo a ewo ewiase no ni hini no emu bi pa sɛ sɛ wodi sikani bere akyi a ɛde bɔne ahodoɔ pii ɛna de ba na yɛhyɛ aseɛ na ɔɔka biribi sɛ wokɔ Ghana ɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi a asɔfoɔ bi a abɔ mu din a na nkurɔfoɔ susu sɛ oh yes ɔmo yɛ sɛ deɛ ɛsɛ ɛte aseɛ no sɛ ɛnyɛ nipa approval na mmom Onyankopɔn approval mekae 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 15 Bible sɛ ɔka kyerɛ Timothy a na ɔyɛ preacher no study to show yourself approved unto God. Study to show yourself approved unto God. Eti nya enipa a wakasa we yese anase enipa wakasa we enye se. Me makọ ba bi me aka cham se be antichrist krada.
Asa wonye Kristo no kra.
Me nyi Yesu ni na anti jasa me gensi Yesu kra. Obi a me preach Church of Christ no. Obi say me antichrist. He says probably the no person what free me ho no want enti. Enti yankwa Ghana na nkrofo abodin Dr. Mensa Otabil.
Yes.
Last year Ghana fo nyina e wo ho. And also wo ye program bi. A very greater works. Ana ode ade abebo ne dan yanim a kire ne church members ne say. So obi e penhyira afiri Onyankopon e ho a. Sika itwa se wutua ni. Sika papa edebebo edana no na $. It depending on enhyira ko a wo pe no. A whole $. And itwa se wutua.
Woye.
It well a ye hu Onyankopon and the price atu ni hyira ene na adom a owo e de mane ma eso e wasase so ana. Therefore a wutie me. Sikasam awo twero ni mu no ni a Church of Christ yaka ene se Bible yi a eda hoi ye wo apam dada ene ye wo apam foforo ye wo apam dada no emu som ene ye wo apam foforo enso so emu esom apam dada emu som no ye fra no Jewfo esom ana se Judaism ana apam foforo som no ye fra no Kristo som sa osom mienu yi enya ade baako etwa se obi biara okọ Bible mu no ote sa asem yase eye under Judaism no ana niema bebre sisiye emoa afọrebo wanza na nsa abrante bi aba Ghana o se fa na jaguraja ajaguraja
odifo kwa Nazare
wanza entade a ehye no sekan ye hye no ho ene niema a wo ya sabe obi oti Kristo mu bi ahu saa de no a obu ni se ya bosonsom na so obi sa no sa wata de ehye we ya no akotu quotation afra pam da mu
eye no kra obekan so no na ewo ho
sekan ye hye wo ye o se afra pam da mu no akenkan no de akero adenti ana dodo a ekrem se ye Kristofo enne no ajaguraja enta ade ne ye hye Ade na asofo mfa sekan enhyehyɛ omo ntaade mu ede se eno esansa te se de jaguraja eka no apanda da mu som no sa pepepe na netie Church of Christ asem o twe adua gina so se efrisi yewura Yesu Kristo ebe wuye e wasenua no so no ene ma sesa eti Kristo som ana ne Onyankopɔn enam so a ode gi nipa nkwa wura Yesu se mene ekwan no nokora no ene enkwa no na obi enko eja ne nkyɛn agye sɛ ɔnam so enti dodo a sɛ yɛka entusuo dudu ɛho asɛm a na ɔmo pɛ akye yɛn awe sɛ na ɔmo change asɛm no sɛ ɛnam sɛ aka sɛ Kristofo ntua ntusuo dudu nti no na se kyerɛ no sɛ yɛsɛ yɛmfa sika enye nyame adwuma agye saa no Church of Christ yɛka na entusuo dudu no e belong to Judaism apam dada mu ɛsom no a na asofo ntaade seka hyehyɛ mu no na yekum emoa ede ba fode last week mi tie ajaguraja no Kofi TV efre no na odu wa pe no wase na de wa ye late wase na ne ye bo emoa fode bo ene yekum odwan kakraka ai abaza nantwe kakraka bi
nantwe
odafa wutie me apam dada mu som no ne yekum moa ede ba fode enti sanne wa wutie me no who claims that we are Christian, na wagya emwa kum na entuso dudu de wo so obegye de a the mother of all contradictions. Eti de di kan no the besa tiefo nyina te ase say Church of Christ in kan say ye vasika enye nyame adwuma. But by virtue of what we do no I can tell say ye spend this sika ene ye de ye nyame adwuma bia ye e wasase so. Na sika no a ye spend na ye de ye adwuma no say yes ye nyi sika ene na sabe ye kwaji sika do ana ekwa ye den enti ye de sika nyame adwuma demom wase ye nchecha no kwasem ni mo pepepe na entuso dudu ya kyerɛkyerɛ mu de akyerɛ obi biara sɛ Bible mu wo mo na tua entuso dudu no na nya sika ena na wo mo de tua yemfa sika money entua entuso dudu osofo biara a otie mi na nwumrei ya aja wo mo abese hon kronkron ahya ne ma ebia ni sasa ma me kan sa dete apamda da no ase jufo som no ase no sika entuso dudu o mo gye no na yemfa sika enipia ne de afuom enobai ena de tua entuso dudu eno akiri no ena na wo mo eto collection na jufo no to collection
o mo gye ntutuso dudu no wia.
That is it.
No masa to collection.
If you say,
okay.
And to so dudu no, na nye sika. Collection de na ye sika. What would you say? Eti apamda da ni mo no, wo mo agye collection. Collection no nya Church of Christ na fe ne ye be wiase. Na bi bibi.
Na sure say apamda da no mu no, ntutuso dudu no wo ho. E na collection no so ye eno so wo ho.
Pe. Womo Israel for a collection no said na etie no eno na ye ka kire nipa ene yi a na womo edwane free ho no collection no apam foforo no mu no ye ba pa anwumre no ye kwa kotie di apam foforo no eka apam foforo no say sadie obiara asusu wona koma mu no ena oma enya amemenenfe anasa ohyem na de otenanim ema no ena awurade edo no now tie ade a mebe kenkan kakrai me ka free Exodus chapter 36
yo
Moses ebreso na Jewfo esom no eye adwuma pa
yo
wase and Bezalel and Aholiab and every gifted artisan in whom the Lord has put wisdom and understanding to know how to do all manner of work for the service of the sanctuary, shall do according to all that the Lord has commanded. Then Moses called Bezalel and Aholiab, and every gifted artisan in whose heart the Lord had put wisdom, everyone whose heart was stirred, to come and do the work. Verse 3, Exodus chapter 36. And they received from Moses all the offering which the children of Israel had brought for the work of the service of making the sanctuary. So they continued bringing to him free will offerings every morning. Then all the craftsmen were doing all the work of the sanctuary came, each from the work he was doing. And they spoke to Moses, saying, the people bring much more than enough for the service of the work, which the Lord commanded us to do. So Moses gave a commandment, and they caused it to be proclaimed throughout the camp, saying, let neither man nor woman do any more work for the offering for the sanctuary. And the people were restrained from bringing it. Orofo, would you mean? Did you for no tell some of the Catholic collection? What would you mean? Na collection. And you know one your friend title, no? Dabi. Unya da Deuteronomy chapter 14. When free verse 23 at the bar. Bible says to the answer. And to so do no dear. They are almost from no buy. A fear fit and an omutia and the ma lewi as of one. Say almost see a dime sanctuary no a bia ya and yama unyankopon. Na e ka so mutia to so do.
The okay kan ye me hu ye ne se wo se anopa no Israel fo no ase obi afiri nipem no wodi biribi bre
obi afiri nipem enti afiri tete ana sika offering sika tithe niema enti wunim omo quotation omo quote kura no Malachi chapter 3 no was it in tithes and offering the distinction is there asofo na shada
na so say Israel for no kura mu no wo mo ye clear bibia da ho clear
as say Kofi TV no
say Kofi TV say Israel for no ayede ade no ma wo mo nim say entotoso odudu no enie ena offering so
eni dey sika na eto wunim offering no
oh boy
enu bi offering no bi ena Awurade Yesu Kristo bra na o te ase no ye ka apamda da mu som na ya na gofo ka say ye ka apamda da no a esi e wo Malachi da bi Awurade Yesu te ase nyina no ye wo no omra na se oye na dwuma omra na se ana owui omra na se eti Yesu Kristo dwuma dia odi ye ebra na o te ase nyina no na ye Mose emra no na na ye dai edi enipa so enu na Yesu ekwa asoro da mu a wo mo to collection ye oka e kire nkrofo no se ma me kunafo hie ni no the collection na wato no eso mbuche obi ade one the casa na Israel for enter collection
I see that's say hono enye tight na maame ne kwoto no kwoto ne collection
David that tight there tight wo soa ye soa tight e niema odofo wotie mi me say Deuteronomy chapter 14 Calvary verse 23 now pa fakosi verse 26 tight no e niema ye soa e bo ka hire
edi asem nie
na aso dem o Yesu ko na no mo to offer na kwa de so niema e sika na Awurade Yesu kan say maame no ni sika o nyina no de atomu no ana o ka kire wo mo aka ne say de o mo anyama na busuro emu na o mo yi bibi eden efriye enti me nuadofo a wo tiame say ye ka asam a ti asam ni ye Church of Christ in ka say ye nto collection na collection to de efri tete ana apamfo fro no asan esisudua wakire kire mu pefe ana o de amaye enti de ye ka efa nto so dudu hu ne say na ye fuo mu niema ase ne say ebra yehu Nyankopon eyi Israel for ade wo mo efri Egypt asase so ade wo mo ko Canaan asase no ayese ewo ane nufuso ane sene wo eso no wo mo ko do Canaan asase no so no na di party so ade Nyankopon ma Israel for no wo mo kontokwa
epam wo no mo
ana omudi wo mo so enkunim enti omudi wo so enkunim na sase ye che asase no ade ma Israel for ane ye che asase no de ma wo mo ne ye che de ma wo mo no ana nyame ma Israel for no mra se adwuma omo beye e wo sa asase no so no afi bia so a eno bai biara obia betwa no o che eno ba no mu edu na o de baako ekọ ye fere the storehouse omo de ekọ ne de akọ akoma Lewi asofo no ene de maintain asofo no asofo no nya duane aye den adi sika ye de to collection no a different thing all together
na te say wono mo je tight no ena wono mo sa ji sika ye offering no
medofo na ya na grofo enim sa de no sa o de tight no e be ka collection Israel for yiye ene mo afọ de on boy e ho a na Nyankopon e tax wo almost 50% of their annual income because one say Israel for everest one na Nyankopon ne wo enam te say de ye politics nso and the plano religio political politics I mix it with religion and brother nyame and Israel for enam no enti tax pa na oje wo mo sa no Christianity ente sa na enna entu so dudu a asofo agye no asama Church of Christ e kan say eye soronko kura fi the Bible e kan ni enna asofo nti so dudu o mo gye no ye se fasika envelope na o de kwa asore na sa church secretary sa so pani o na wa twere odin na wa twere sika kura wo de baa no e de abehim e na o mo se ye frɛ no entu so dudu e de ase da bi o na Bible be na mu use we esa sa Bible no e da ho no enye sika na editua entu so dudu ana Kristo som anso so enka nkire obi asa o metua entu so dudu eni Bible be bia asa wonna nwasem bia e wa pan foforo mu
ka kire me sofo
Philippi 4 89 Oswafo Paul yese Paul amentem na wosene adikanfo no aka anwanwasem bia eji adanse pefe di kire obi asa sa entu so dudu no enya dia eye akrisofo edia. Philippians chapter 4. Make verse 15 and 16. Was it? Now, you Philippians know also that in the beginning of the gospel, when I departed from Macedonia, no church shared with me concerning giving and receiving, but you only. For even in Thessalonica, you sent aid once and again for my necessities. And you see what I said? Sir, and cannot a Christopher edi canadian to so do. And Capo, I said, what kind of and can so do the woman dada. But also a call Macedonia, no Europe, no. If you entertain a Europe, what's in the heading? Prepare for what's what call Macedonia, no, as I could be a one.
Okay.
Any party to so do the and Capo, any trouble be aka. And Capo and anti Macas him with it. But was say, and Crofono, as I could be anywhere or one. So to us one, was say, a brand no what as on I can. Philip Fono, almost my 8. What is 8? 8 is help. Help and your obligation. Opa and our will be. But tithe and the Old Testament, you know, it was an obligation. It was a commandment. And until as of one, I've heard a preacher, me, I'm to say, maybe almost that. Almost Tiadia Nasepan, almost that. Eti, what church member now would hear me no? I thought be a no moment more bad pano. Well, yeah, you are free, sir, and quasumon on do Koshemunimu. The Bible be being one more thing to so do the say, we are Jumana Bosumeswan. Fa a Chosicanimu edu, Nafa Bako, Eshe, envelope, Nafa Coma, sorry. Now, I saw him taking records. Yet, way, a somewhere yante da. Sir, church member be a wo. Na Nebusia for a couple of for money, no, so for as a untiano to so do ye. Tis your best year, dear. I guess a mutia and to so do no more bot. Abusia for a cat. I'm one more tia and son Ubusianino. Yes, you know. As some way, one as one to be there. Me no other for would tell me. Now, the catch was a Christo some and Tessa. A pound for front church and churches are. Nemo, a pound for front church, a cassa ever. Collection. Collection. Na collection also no. Emrada home. Bible just so me no be. Odo for wo tell me. 1 Corinthians chapter 16 verse 1 and verse 2. 1 Corinthians 16 verse 1 and verse 2 no. Bible e kasa e de fa collection. A Christopher a edi kan. O Bible mo no. Said e ka kire wo mo. Now, say a Christopher dear, and as I can also. And it just far. 1 Corinthians 16, 1 and 2. I say, now, concerning the collection for the saints, as I have given orders to the churches of Galatia, so you must do also. Verse 2. On the first day of the week, let each one of you lay something aside, storing up as he may prosper, that there be no collections when I come. Therefore, say, Christosum pan when you have this office awesome. Yameno crepa na pese utia. Tie assembly be wo. Verse 2 no. Was it? On the first day of the week, let each one of you lay something aside. Next, I said, collection wo apan fufuru mu. Christosum collection no na a weekly. Upon the first day of the week. Kwasiada.
So kwasiada bia.
Ana na omo yesa. Ya ka kira onyam sam se. Ene entuso dudu ene hweyo. Every say. Deuteronomy chapter 14 verse 22 and 23 no. Was it? Make 22 no kwa. Was it? You shall truly tithe all the increase of your grain that the field produces year by year.
Where na we afi.
Enti ni bi e ya de ba ko.
Debi. Afi de say na watwe
afi and to so dudu ye yi na afi. Enti so fo a wo tie mi o so won kronkro ahya de ma no. Ba bia won kronkro ka say ye ntua to so dudu bosome no. O so fo bi ewi a on kotu engumani mu aseme hwe. Any Bible baby ah. Bible say afiafe. And Israel for 80 to so do. And collection no a Christopher see and 200 there. Or say down now watching with that air day. Edicano and the answer. Now one was it concerning the collection for the saints. A tour hour ye at the bois a hotel for. I don't think I saw ye collection. Ye collection one, ye the big or quite so. Yes, it can be quite on time. Now, aqua bois and croffoir, woman watching a woman, and here for Oya Ghana, Nina, out to 1 and 1. Now, watch me and Sir a terminal. It's 1 thing. Set up the Church of Christ. Ya quite chair are buying 100,000 Ghana cedis, 1 billion old Ghana cedis. Sir, free SHS now, why you know? I had the papa. It's ya, sorry, your support the papa. It's ya buying you 1 billion. Now, offer and more free SHS. And you want it. So, want to the enemy, ever use a me announce what you ya kwala shi ruby
newspapers mo Ghana say na buy my king kan
ya kwala shi ruby and ye and ye ko boa aban no na sa sika no aye kwasiada and ye to sa collection no afei ma me ntwe adwe nyina so se collection na to kwasiada no so emrada ho ni 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 6 and verse 7 no emra eda collection to ho ni but this I say, he who sows sparingly will also reap sparingly, and he who sows bountifully will also reap bountifully. So let each one give as he purposes in his heart, not grudgingly or of necessity, for God loves a cheerful giver. Mpesa we umianeka chini maye kakra. Korinto 4:12. Oh yeah. Etinkro. Echemunsia ane enso no. Emra a eda collection a yato ewo krisosom ho no. Enie odofo.
Odofo sampo kan mai. Whatever ma.
Eho ekenkan se na ye die odia no nchinchin mu no betwa no nchinchin mu. Na die odia no befu no betwa no befu 7. Sadie obiara esusu na akoma mu no. Oma enye amemnemfe ana ohye mu efise de oti nanimu ema no onyankopon do no amen
but o chinchin mu no tiram ase de ketua no no ye odua na ketua no ele ye chinchin no na so obetwa ketua wo ye
oni odofo a wotie me enti asem ya kenkan yi dia he pa na adin wo mu a onipa da sani ntiase ha Try say, dear Odiano Kakraka no, Obetani Kakraka, bountifully. And the Odiane Ketua, sparingly. I don't care no. One also sa, and one subicha,
don't care.
Not just say, see, I took collection one, Onyakupo Beshirae. Luke chapter 6, verse 38. Already used to say, Mama, no Bemamo. Susukrapa, wa miaso. Na wa woso na ebu faso no eno no de begu montoma mu na susukura ko a mususuo no eno a na ode be mamo na just apart from no aka kire say ye ma onyame bagina oma no so na wa hira yen say the grofo ko to Malaka say oso mutua ntuso odudu a obehira om no sara na apart from no de enya ntuso odudu no se yentua no hira yen wose ye tua collection no a onyame behira yen. Now, according to Hebrews chapter 8, verse 6, no, was in Shira, a what upon for Frasino, and so child upon that adiano. If you are dear, any probably any young who ye say, Onyankopon at the collection tour, and what Yama a Christopher. Now, Ejemo and so on was say, let each one give as he purposes in his heart, not grudgingly or of necessity. Enti sadie obiara asusu e wana kuma mu no e na oma emra eda sikatua collection a yeto e wa so dem ho ne se sadie wan kasa wasusu wa kuma mu no e ne twasa wo ma enya memenemfe anasa ohye so enti asore no de so wo kyerɛkyerɛ wa obekyerɛkyerɛ wa I encourage you say wo ye ne say ya e di sha bebre na ebe den e bebre wo at the end of the day wo sori kwese na wo kwa asori a sika ho de kwato mu no obi antu machinchi mu nsa me bisa question ente santo so dudu no a ya na so fo trotro na ohwe sika kra de tu mu no Church of Christ obi hwe sika o de tu mu ya wasam bi kan ya kire Bible no ene e be kire se wo ye de say ye be boa wo ye de say ye be boa ya tufo no ene e be ka kire wo edu de actual thing no so a say de obi asu na koma mu no onye den wo ma enya memene mfe anasa ohyem obi a behunahuna anka nkyerɛ sɛ sɛ wɔntua nto so dudu a onyankopɔn bɛdome wo ɛyɛ hunahuna Bible sɛ apam foforɔ mu ɔma no ɛnyɛ saa ne teɛ enti me nua sɛ wobisa yɛ a Church of Christ yɛto collection wɔsi ada yɛkɔ asɔre a yɛsom ni mu no sɛ eduru bere twa sɛ yɛyi sika no a onua ba bɛgyina hɔ wɔbɛtwe adwene gyina so sɛ ɛbra so onyame adwuma a yɛyɛ na de sika na ɛyɛ ti deɛ wo ɛnɛ de obi ade baayɛ no yɛde adeɛ no ba o wo bia fatum yedu wana so wo bia na ade atum woni bia o metwa mu akɔ woni asɔre ka asɔre ntɔ hwee ɛna wabɛda wakɔde asɔre ka ɛma obi atena fie sɛ me nkɔ asɔre esan sɛ medeka ɛde aka na onipa deɛ ɛhiafoɔ ɛne asikafoɔ ɛna ɛwɔ asɔre mu enti so obi ohiani no oni sika na wɔbaa ɛwɔ ama bɛto collection ne yɛ so wɔde ka deɛ a na kyɛ sɛ sikafoɔ nkɔ na ɛnkɔ asɔre ana enti ma mentwe adwe nyina so ama obi biara wo tie manwumre nti ase sɛ Church of Christ nka ase mfa sika yɛ nyame adwuma yɛ de sika yɛ nyame adwuma me nam na me tu kwa me ba ni nyina Church of Christ fo eno twa me air ticket ma me se medidi a om na bɛyɛ saa enti yɛ de sika yɛ nyame adwuma na mom nyame adwuma yɛ de sika yɛ no yɛ nya no sɛ de yɛ yankasa yɛ ade sɛ de nyame ahyehyɛ no no saa ne twa se yɛ no ɛma ihunu sɛ yɛ som onyankopɔn ampara Luke 6:46 awurade yesu sɛ na ada na wo from ye awurade na de mesie no enya no na moye entu bi sa sikasam no a de du begina kakra ne ansa na mate obi wo
amen confusion wa ha confusion e wa ha ne se Professor Dan Owusu Asiama won kyerɛkyerɛ mu yi no won ma mahunu se apam dada no mu no na collection me na bɛka sɛ collection wo ho collection ɛna entotosuo dudu nso ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna yɛhunu sɛ collection no ɛyɛ sika entotosuo dudu no ɛnyɛ sika na asɛmbisa ne sɛ ɛne na entotosuo dudu no ɛbɛyɛ dan ɛwɔ ɛna kristosu mu
asɛmbisa ɛsɛ sɛ
ɛbɛyɛ dan
asɔfo a ɛgye entotosuo dudu no ɛna twa sɛ yebisa wɔ mo esan sɛ kristosom ɛhyɛ aseɛ Pentecost da ɛwɔ asomafo nnwuma no etimienu ɛyɛ interesting sɛ ɛbra kristosom hyɛ aseɛ ɛda no kristosom hyɛ aseɛ Pentecost da no saa afahyɛ no edura Israel ni biara a wɔte ewiase amama ebe bia na nigye ho no ɛba Jerusalem ɛba bi di saa afahyɛ no bi na ɔmo ba afahyɛ no yɛwie ya no twase obi ayɛ den ɛsan akɔ ne nkyi but Pentecost da no ɛna wɔn kronkron ba ya ɛma asɔ no hyɛ aseɛ enti bere a wɔn preachi yɛ ɛma nipa bɛsɛ 3000 ɛbɛbɔ asu wie yɛ no enipa no a abɔ su from about 17 different nations no na nka sɛ wɔn sa wɔn akyi kɔ wɔn kurom nanso wɔn abɛgye gidie foforɔ bi adidi a na twase yɛ kyerɛkyerɛ wɔn edi twase wɔn kyɛ kakra ɛwɔ Jerusalem hɔ ɛde asam ɛna esi yɛ ɔdɔfo a wɔte me wɔn tua ntuso dudu anaasɛ wɔn ɛyɛ dɛn
ebra na wɔn ɛte Jerusalem
wɔn wɔ Jerusalem ɛtwɛn agye nkyerɛkyerɛ kakra wɔ asomafoɔ no hɔ ansa na wɔn akɔ wɔn akyi no Acts chapter 2 verse 44 no was it now all who believed were together and had all things in common and sold their possessions and goods and divided them among all as anyone had need. Wɔn mo agidi yɛ nyinaa no no wɔn mo akoma ɛyɛ baako. They had things in common kyerɛ sɛ ɛnam situation nti no sɛ me wɔ samina bɛsɛ 6 a wotumi yi bi na ade kodware sɛ me wɔ milo ɛna mo asi kyerɛ a wotumi ɛfa me deɛ na wode yɛ tii ɛnom anɔpa no
ɛyɛ kristofoɔ no
na wɔn mo a ɛte Jerusalem hɔ no wɔsi binom tontɔn wɔn mo adwapadeɛ ɛne wɔn mo nneɛma na wɔn mo akyɛ sika no ɛde ama anuanom no sɛdeɛ ehia obiara ɛnto so dudu wɔ hefa And to so do apam da dem no ya de ma lewi asofo won say ade ye che and the ama church members no what be kogu asomafo ne na ase na sanka kin to so do dia say na asomafo no and ye to so do be mo mo say omfa maintain wo mo na Bible say wasesa asofodie ne dia and ye emra no so no aye den na wasesa no
Oh.
enti and to so do say the obisa say be ya de okisoso mo no eye mo asofo yi a mo age wo mo adie yi ya wo mo claim heaven and earth me dia wonim and me tie obofo na afedi one argument bi a wo ye me sre was it asofo de bi so ya was say we de nyame mfre no we de nyame mfre no we de nyame afre no obofo no ya nyina nyame mfre ye
Ya mo pepe.
ya nyina nyame mfre ye ya na e ka se nyame afre ye ya na e ka se nyame afre ye obi eri ho na onim analogy oye was it president was so Ghana sisi ya no
Nana Akufo-Addo.
a chief justice and they didn't see ade so it a dance dia obi eri say chief justice and the president what the see so electoral commission and a supervisor me ato aba and o gi tu mu say Nana Akufo-Addo na ye den e wi ni ye it Akufo-Addo the presidency no anya bi ekura de dance for me no the chief justice and the electoral commission this is per the logic of obofo and was say it wo so do nyame afre wo no o dance ni hwan
Ye.
wo ba akoko hu
Odansini
ni hwan
se be wie.
enti se nyame afre me no e claim asa wo obofo kan no e claim no mu nyina e claim
Na se obofo ankasa gi ne hudi se nyame no won frɛ.
wasi ye nyina nyame mfrɛ ye sa na waka wasi ye nyina nyame mfrɛ ye e claim na ye
Hey.
na claim na ye twa kodu atemuda na temuda dura woni wa de ori se wasi so ko atemuda no se wo ha ampara de a asem obofo kan ne no
Wow.
onafo a wutia me enti asofo a enne won so mo jintu so dudu no lewi ekwan so asofodi a onyankopon di ma ajufo no enti wo monte se twam wo monte ye se lewi kwan so asofodi no atwam ana na so wo monte ase enso a lewi kwan so asofodi no ase ne se Israel emusuako no mo yedumie ba ko pe e ye from the tribe of Levi one more free sa tribe near from Levites one more asofodi near from the Levitical priesthood one mum pokura no na nya lewi ni ba ma bia na otimi ye sofo yankopon e de criteria to ho sabe was obi a wadi dem odi sofo a enya ye oh honesty ni ama bebre enti Israel for asofo no na obi nyina fi lewi abusuakuo mu obi osua Bible bia de wo hono no na wodim ana aba pamfo from a yenti a etwa etire am ye ka se entu so dudu atwa mu no sa asofodie na na nkrofo no atimo no Bible esisu dua se sa asofodie no atwam na se etwam nso so a eho mra nso so etwa se twam
Ene na atwam no no.
hwe Hebrews chapter 7 verse 11 and verse 12 was it therefore if perfection were through the Levitical priesthood, for under it the people received the law, what further need was there that another priest should rise according to the order of Melchizedek and not be called according to the order of Aaron? Good argument, theological argument. Was it a brand Israel for no tiasiano? Sa Lewi ekwaso asofudie no se na e de payo perfection holiness salvation ebre nipa e yere na ka Yesu Kristo bai apam da ase asofudie no ade wo ho no se na etumi di nipa ekọ nkwagie mu a aka Jesus bai de wo wiase ade enkwa ne yepe se Lewi kwaso asofudie nso etumi mai etumi mai enkwagie eti Jesus enko bai de
Ko be den.
Dabida eti Yesu asofudie no and the same Melchizedek asofudie. Melchizedek no, who was he? Bible said that occupied two important offices. He was a king and at the same time a priest.
Okay.
So two positions, you know, Yesu Christo nkwa and Melchizedek nkwa and occupy those two positions. And to Jesus Christ, he came after the similitude of Melchizedek. Now, Otrasa, a son said, now Lewi, a consource of Udiano, and to me Nyunkwa, and to more Nipa and ye payunti, and a radi Yesu a buy. Verse number 5, oh sorry, verse 12, our Hebrews chapter 7, no? Was it? For the priesthood being changed of necessity, there is also a change of the law. What is so ambiguous with this verse? And there are some that waha a more ding and not so for the Montiaze. So, our sister Louis, a consource of Udiana dia, and Marabiara, and for Louis as of Udiano, assassin. Every day, every sir, now you come aboa. At the bar for dear. Yet the aboa side about for dear Mania, and no more I can live as of one Harry. I jump because you come aboard him. Mom Santa, dear Stronko to Saja Graja. And now Santa the channel, a jump. Mom begin to swallow every one man. According to verse 5, Hebrews chapter 7, verse 5, and indeed, those who are of the sons of Levi, who receive the priesthood, have a commandment to receive tithes from the people according to the law. That is, from their brethren, though they have come from the loins of Abraham. Full stop. Eti Lewi asofo no, and Yankopon ma omo embrase. What would you to swallow every Omunianum Israel for no? And a Bible said, so our sisters house of the end of the year, and no assassin Embrano. It was so for be a watching to swallow na. Ah, one dear, she can never at your team. I can carry one wins at home, conquer almost as I didn't contemplate some. What? When the mouth be quiet, said Christosumo, or watching to swallow. Yeah, dear, sorry, I done the business. As I didn't contemplate that damn true. Okwaka wasi hey na sabe miti on kam triska sabe anu asa ne ye nyina ya burugumu me ba ye ya ha nyame adom aha brochire and so do obi ama me 100 mpo ebe sen na maje na me de kɔ na trono adika ka kire se bɔne anyina ne hini ani sika pɛ bɔne a ebinim adi akire na wɔde yaw awɔ wɔn ho asɔfo a wɔ krom ha mu firi Ghana mo nsakra mo adwen mo ba ye Belgium asɔfo ben ana gye ntoso dudu ha ɔdafo wutie me Belgium ha Amsterdam na wutie me a United Kingdom na wutie me a Jewfo mu no ɔmo da so asom Jewfo som. They don't claim to be Christians, do they?
Eno kura na menti ase you.
Wɔn kan so ɔmo yɛ Kristofo.
Wɔn ta de hyem kura no wɔn kyɛ hyem. Ɛyɛ different.
Onua ɛyɛ awurahosam enti na ɔka the one true church one sama na ɔmo ani abrɛ no. Aso na ɔmo atete no ɔmo adea. Wɔn kotu Bible ha kakra na kotu ha kakra. No de adada wɔn yɛ enim bɔne no akoma. Ɛyɛ awurahosam pa. Hwɛ mame ka baabi ansa na wa follow up with your question. Romans chapter 16. Romans 4:8. Na me ka echemo edunson ane edunwɔtwe no. Na tie, nyame waka ni nyina awie o. Asɛm ni nyina wɔ Bible ni mu. Enti sɛ ye yɛ kan kokɔbɔ a yɛ bɔ no, sɛ wantie na sɛ wo sɛ dabrɛ dian yo, ɛne wo sampa o. Romans 16, 17 and 18. Tie Awurade asɛm. Now, I urge you, brethren, note those who cause divisions and offenses, contrary to the doctrine which you learned, and avoid them. A powerful front one church, and they continue steadfastly in the apostles' doctrine, as to 42a. It is will be a sense and church, and church work is so and to so do Dunka. Also, for Biara, what you to so do feel sorry for honor, or science church. Now, Bible said, and Crawford and you know to Omo, ya mark Omo. Verse 18. For those who are such do not serve our Lord Jesus Christ. What's what is ano? And you're ready, yes, almost no. But their own belly. Omo yafono. Omo yafono. Waba John to so their yakana. Waba John to so do no idea, see a die or Ghana. No, si kuremu. No, I catch us on my means who obey for. Would you see car? Would you call my mamma? Oh, mammy, they obey for no mammy, dear. What was it, Dama? Or the other for. And by smooth words and flattering speech, deceive the hearts of the simple. Woman de Casade, any adokodokosam. 2019, a year of breakthrough. And never gave me shall be the head another tail. Sana da samuno, Obeka Guasum sa motivational speeches. The man said, I be here and go for preaching. A motivational speech. The cat can sound the was my order dead. Was over your front and almost. Now be awesome the Yafrian to so do about you on one end. 80 Kusosuma Babu Munadia, Yato collection. I said you will be a swan Akumamuno and Oma. Now, you need to so do and try to uncle 40 and Cassie will be the cat. I was sorry. And then I saw the tongue and will be able to. I went to your car. Mama Saka, I do you. Now, and chat, not your babano, no abba. Christo Suma or Babu Mono, Yasasano. Ya done no, and you're done the canibria. Minia, for her.
Abusia na wache abo apa ho sima Ariana enumaha Bible akwankyerɛ nkwankwanu asemene yɛ de Kingsley kwa me tufo ene menu akwabana subonten ena ne ye wo hase na Professor Dano Owusu Asiama na wɔtwe etwa mu no na me hwɛ tape bi wɔ Facebook na efa Duncan Williams papa ho Papa asɛm a wɔkaeɛ ne sɛ entoto so dudu no sɛ wantua entoto so dudu sɛ wantua wawu kranke na sɛ wotua entoto so dudu no a na wotua ne yi a 90% na aka no eno na Nyankopɔn de wode bɛyɛ asase so bia Awurade bɛma yiye Awurade bɛma yiye na sɛ wo fa 100% na wo anyi 10% na 100% no uhun kura unhu ano. That is why our businesses are not flourishing. That is why your financial difficulties bebree. But question, how did Papa come into this conclusion say and to so do no eye sika whereas Israel for no masa se wo Belgium ha Jew for America on wasem ye no mo nam and indeed kwabena subonten bedi madanse say one hwe ya omo shop kura wura so koto ade a we ye be pam wo because you are not a Jewish. How did Papa come into conclusion say sa sika no ana Jewfo no je say offering na wono mo san je no bae say tithe no sika no abedane tithe e de ama Israel for no say na Papa approve sa ade no. And then let me go to Dr. Mensah Otabil. Dr. Mensah Otabil sabre ameka say watch no book and the book no nkyerɛkyerɛ mu nyina ne say obɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu ama tithe no enhyira edeba Onyankopɔn emma eso. It seems that Professor Owusu Asiama asɛm a wɔkɛn no okura Bible foforo. Why? Ade na Kristo sumi kura akoye bibibi sɛ ye. Na asɔre ma no nso a dear conviction ɛna mo gyina so a mo de tua ntutu so dudu no. Die nti a wo tua ntutu so dudu no. Ye Professor Ekani manon kwanza Fremsesia Die nti asore ba wo tua entoto so dudu a wodi sika na ekotua na wotua no bosome no ade se wo proof kire ye Bible mu se de Professor Ekani entoto so dudu na nya afiafi ena na eye sika na enye nnobae unless you prove this to me. Sesia make say Pentecost for Okroma me na fofo ne mo Resurrection asori wo krom ha me na fofo ne mo Assemblies of God for mo ha Roma for mo ha me be lines now to Musisia. I know your preachers are listening. Call me na nyenti a wusu se Professor Ibuano ka kire me na me entie
Minia me da asna me fa Bible gina so be kata ya asemi eso o question abisa ye no what's na ye den na omo eye ne sa. First question wa otua nto so dudu Duncan Williams ne aye Vanessa Otabil no ubisa ho ne say na sa utua nto so dudu a wunya sa nhira no a ono danka Williams utua nto so dudu no utua ba wan
aha papa gia won mo kotua ma wan
podi ko se dan wo Virginia
oh boy
wo otabil and so atro book one script say dey be na obekire ma tire nkrofo a wonu otabil no otua nto so dudu utua na anya nhira etu otua ma wan
aha se kiasi yotua wonfa nkoma sofo no mebo a se kiasi lewi asofo na ede ma wo na se ye dancing cranfo asante mampomfo a yadane lewi fo a ye gie ye de de koma hwan
aha lewi fo na pamda da mo se lewi fo no agi ntusodudu na no mo sutua ntusodudu no mu ntusodudu ade ma Aaron asefo a mo ye asofo mpanimfo no enta me bisa se wo mo mutua no mutua ma hwan wan de sofo pani no sa asofo die no Bible se aye den atwam ana also won pere ema no ntwam udeti Bible nya so na yanko yanim kakra 2 Peter chapter 2 verse 1 to 3 was say but there were also false prophets among the people even as there will be false teachers among you. Old Testament mono near what false prophets or one say or no it belongs to the Old Testament the false prophets na New Testament you grad them ha because one on yam use a prophet say Isaiah no David na yan dia no say false teachers and go from no abom di nya you almost was just one teach one che nyame asam false teaching and what the emma now was say who will secretly bring in destructive heresies even denying the Lord who bought them and bring unto themselves swift destruction one be ram secretly na say che ye dan ko mu no chese wo ye osofo Bible kakaka bi ekura no chese o ye Kristo ni sofo pa nanso eye na ada asam na wode enada ani heresy no eye encheche eye contrary to the onyankopon asam na ye den aka dim papa mu ye den eba no eno mo de ba Bible say Lewi asofo na etua nto so du mo no asofo die no atwam won so say amanfo metua nto so du na o mutua o benya nhia wo ye Lewi ni enkrofo bi no ayebo omudin eno asofo biara a wo nto so du no wo ye Lewi ni verse 2 2 Peter chapter 2 was it and many will follow their destructive ways and many will follow their destructive ways edipa be dis asofo we yachi no omo doson papa na e destructive ways and omo nam so no what was so because of whom the way of truth will be blasphemed na sa ankrofo nti Aradi Yesu asamo ya no kure no enkrofo be ka ho asam bone ya ka samwa before ya de kataka so mu aso no ena banks ya egu e wo Ghana akofa untold hardship e de aba no ota bi nka ho
ni di wom
nti ye be bo onyankopon asore ana Kristosom no ye be bo no edim bone verse 3 was it by covetousness tieni yo by covetousness, they will exploit you with deceptive words. Blessed Bible. Blessed Bible. By covetousness, they will exploit you with deceptive words. See, can you bring bonnet? Are you a mama? One person will be a millionaire and tantam. It's all matter to Sorrentino. On bed that damo with deceptive words. The book I work on there, someone work I said on the water to Christianity so no. Say papa and a for a long time. Their judgment has not been idle, and their destruction does not slumber. Dano send the part to sir, Moatia Soria, yes, he can you bring to the Moatia, a Pessica free Nipa ho, and that the Nipa, and done it done in Yanko Poncho channel. Watem wo, Untonko. Na on not the biarada.
I was your phone, my telephone lines no, me activating no CCR, obey me na wafre and 10 times so. We are Pentecost, we are Anglican, we are Roman, we are resurrection, faith, and the assemblies of God. When I say and to so do no Professor Dano Uswasiama. He's saying we a spiritual 419. Eka hoden obet me friend is here. Mame ente woka na mentio. Hello, good evening caller.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Kwame Isaac, Asafri London. Kwame Mamintio.
Any Duncan Williams, any or not to come. What we said, oh, my, we said, I mean, kind of, I don't know if it's a papa, this hour. I go out for you, no, good tea, no, I move here, no more, but here, no, we have to go out for you, no, but move here, no more. But this hour is with the people. Then here, it's not how one good example, there was one of the prophet. A good chat to my own soul. Put my over well, I don't watch the TV program. So when you go back, I tell let's say a 2 year mama winter, I could watch when you go back, I said, Muhammad, the baby. On the radio, someone can carry. That's what I mean. The shiny pro when you're a prophet, and no preacher men's or job at end. Or preacher or a person like Williams after it. Let me tell you, they don't say anything, any of my but all my Bible quotations. And you're so sugar put that way, and it will be good, and your friend is enemy. Oh my God, somebody has got the mother. You're what you see there. Oh, sometimes my kuma can them
Better say, I'm say emotions say, bum, 1 year crown, walk a cushion. Mamina, Ominia. Mentia dinasi. Mentias yet. I do bet me a friend. 032 9061 032 949081 032 949081 032 906169 the champion radio station. As I call Enfama Amani services and I feel so Quabob's African market. One and also Yasna Edge Media bro Quabobs say was rewa. Wadaro ma pesa woto Africa duane bia for ni echere Beldickins tracks number 147 na ebedu duane nyina o hie duane na afin so owo Africa duane no nyina bi money transfer obso be no nyina kama area ma no ne service Wadaro ma o 20 or can you take close at Dental House na Accra obetumi di woni a kire o bra o pese usi fie bia na obi adwuma bi na hunhuru ba bia wonfa emfa eno ya ma no ne services from almost 00233 30393717. Abusiani yamenti asiye no enyo. Yamenti asiye no enye. Wutie die professor ekan ya enka minim se na nka se no osofo foforo bi agina Adom TV no so na nko no so atete no deku. Enso osofo yi isim se obi aka na no atum. Ena wutie professor asema wo kan ya Kofi TV damu clear. Edamukle. Eni sofo ye wo kan na professor I menam dem ho program. Menam dem ho me say metua enu nyambe yam den.
And the nyambe ye woni ana de nyame kanie. Na me fa twa to ma tie for. Jeremiah etinum. Enchemo aduasa. Ane aduasa baako. Enya no ene nipa firi aso den. O say an astonishing and horrible thing has been committed in the land. The prophets prophesy falsely, and the priests rule by their own power. And my people love to have it so. But what will you do in the end? We are dying when young Crawford, sir, you now, tia, Mamma Kazan, I'm a phone. Media, my responsibility is, Onyame asemi machirachire wo mu mi amachirachire mu na ya hwede eye ne atumi ade akire nanso te sade Jeremia Bresnet ye no wose ahobode ane ahodwiride ana woye e wasase no so adifo hye control ana menu ane kae no NDC be wini MB be wini afede nyankopon politics ana opradete na asofo nso wo ho asofo de ana asofo nso nam woni awon so edi won kokoso asem ebi na ase danka wi aja go ntiatu so dura de okay ni baaburu wabwa wa throw book ada o kasa mo amankrofo age no di akeke wonam ono anu so edi ne kokoso asem na Bible say memman enso epenesa eti nipa bebre wo hono mu a nyame no kure no enya de a wo pe onimdifo bi Where the among Fanchamio? Me a short of water from a yatim didier. When him did for me. And was it, you know what stupidity is? Stupidity, and say, wouldn't him say a dear be, and ya no crack. Na obi adidi wo na wo gitum say one fanyo
just a we stupid ankasa in this case you know naturally say I'm sorry man na wonnim say to so eni ho ya gitum say metie no
anka ne papa bi say wotie de ya kan yie pa na nka wo cross check na wo hwe wo de won tie o ye betia ye
as a war stupid pa
and me bi say na wotia me no da mama ye kese ana me fon it doesn't do anything to me. But I rather say, Sasana Woya no, a Vieno, Mobile then.
I will see a baby idea to Yania sorry so Ako na yen ya sorry no. Yentia and to so do Nemomia, ye, and say. Yatu and College, you know, Avia near the bow for Abba, way a year etwa, as soon as you hear Bukunumo, a year to a wuntia. Yeah, and say, Yabaka sister, ya, Wawi, wo, your beer book, untia. And so for that day, no me buy a matome collection. Na, sir, and no matter but I would you nickel to a year to one year contribute to any adeno. Say, no, so, and can you babu, and I'm a what?
And yes, anchor, any Bonina, a hinny. And it's a capabonia. If you want dear chili. Na odi ya bebre awo wo hu say ye ka 1 Corinthians 16 no me twe ave gina so say Bible say collection for the saints etu oba bi wo e wa so ni mu onye saint ya
we saint
say Kristo ni ba ma bi ehia emwa bi a onye saint ya
we saint so for
enti sikaje bebrebe no adan ye ma Kristo som adan sikasam why must we do that? It's a Church of Christ more and our choir and yeah, Jim, George, and your Church of Christ, I make a was a baby no. Because I'm sorry, and Jessica Semunti, and I go for dance for a baby, I say. I are some far.
All right. Hello, good evening, caller. I want to me and now so far, Chemi, over to me, our friend, actually. And that is a sofa. Say your Church of Christ in Poe and a Meko near say, I had year to. And sister no wo ya no ye contribute to near true din wo ye hwe book no last you would my not to say and Church of Christ wo was Oribia
oh na sir my church matter man for say yen kan Church of Christ for nyina be ko heaven o and Israel for nyina na Israel for
Professor Meba. Hello, good evening, caller.
Hello, good evening, Kinsley.
Good evening, Kwame. Kwame Mitchell.
Na yenya hoko be me nsa wo ya sapu wo me chama sapu na and then na question and answers be na wo question be a won ti ate if you for na ma ho na we tell you is about time na ba ko count 8 oko pentuko e to tie you work here asam to ayam wow it will buy you will be change like that you know see no who you know this thing as some next year tell ya bule to unu ama won said wo mu hunu kramu oni afredi sika bone mother na tanya da biya Church of Christ kan wa su be hunu krano na no krano ba ma waya de tie e kan ka ko u be hunu ampa na waya wa de tie so ampa ama won aba na ko bi se dan ka wuya no me krama ma Church of Christ na ka zo mu na nyango bon ka zo mo so na me ba ya be tie babu na mu so zo mo go mu ni se and the people there, sometimes people, knowledgeable people, I pity them.
Mesomeda si papa busa na ya sore so Medeli Kinsley Kwame to for Professor Adam Owusu Asiama and Amsterdam Church of Christ so for St. Paul Anane na member of Susima Bako. Although who's your way Dina boating cosa Ade
Asam no na we ka no which is the we have been done e ka no just say ye nyina no ye free bibi na ye bae so say ya we ya to asafo no mu nti ye be wure mu before na enchechire no even before ye be wure mu no enchechire no e bi wo ho a na we also find it so difficult say bia obeti ase truly say nyankopon ento ensa emfre wo a say wo ba na safo no mu a e be den pa so we contend a lot with it. With all the explanations how they made, say, Church of Christ, just say, not the name, not the name, as a channel, no, or as of no more. What's it your concord no assay? Because the Bible is actually made, it was written for the church. Until our church no more, and no matter okay, it sounds logic to you. Which are the questions for too much, sir?
I will now be the last caller for this evening. Good evening. Oh, Tony. Yeah. Bob and Gobo, body tell mommy. Straight to your point.
Thank you. Let's see. I just say one of the teaching the same. I am the amateur pass. I for more Church of Christ. More I sometimes we move from one in the Bible combo.
I am your calling.
Now I was there. I'll say, the Bible says, it's I mean, only okay, Jacob myself, Old Testament today. There's a blessing in the on it's a bit slow. And
you're there.
Just like now, a bit slow.
Why? Because we educate here, was he a Tiama one about which right?
Radio.
And even the New Testament, I'm found with it. I thought to them, they didn't be there, or person I want to tie. That's why it's a fire. The New Testament, now, this Christmas, I'm going to mind the type of the novel, we are having New Testament, the compound that will not there. After we more true humility, we will not see that apostle speak about time. But if you can go for something, say it's here, we will bless you because we are saying we will bless you.
Maybe Tony made that was a pa. That's why I like you. You know why I like you? Wait. To was it. Boa me waha. Now explain the point to be mine. Now straight in way, you know. What Remu say, the person one because Professor can be wa say. Tight na ye kan ho asem no. Eye no bae e na Israel for no eje offering na eye sika. Wa kotu. Enti wo de a wo kan ho asem no bae na wo be pese wo kan ho asem. Ana say tight ayi no sika no na wo pese wo kan ho asem e wo Kristo mu sisia.
Okay, let me be fast. But you pass na nya check on nya me so sa. E ko school asama o school. Yeka kisantu so akumacha. Me be e jeni che bia anti na. Isla many this small kind of damage, or you're right, or you're on the Bible, according to the Bible, no collection, yes, Sika.
Sit down radio.
It is of being a don't be maybe John, I won't be fat. I won't be fat. Now, Doctor said, and the Usas man said, but the Usas of the last time they are missing St. John on touch. Yeah, right, I said. Now, I don't remember I saw what near time, but good treatment. Now, look in the community to train another. I'm still there and I want to know more. The other is with a good idea. But you start to still have to send you a good doctor when you have to concern the churches now. But now, you don't make a no fight, or you too far there. There's a number today. Or this is the time. It's just like now. Number one bishop by and by. Number one, I don't think that God will curse you or anger with you because you are feeling touched. But I don't see why you the money in vain. That is what people are going to get them. But if you're supposed to say that, we don't feel that. God will get
as a all from no tight no all canon e wo sika side. Say utu ya meboa. Originally, so for so can they watch them was this Canadian or your friend tight, your friend offering. And a tight no you no buy. I say more a tight you could ya, near some baby offering you so. As a sika come you know. Is in Yamaka 1 year did you?
Radio.
For example,
okay. Tony be ask Papa Professor on board because I don't get it. Dear Tony come. Because Professor na me give so be ko tu be say ade no kura say enye afiafi na bosome. Ade tight you kura wo so be ye kronko a yesin ka afiafi. Emra nkeda ho no.
Me the okay abisa okujina Malachi chapter 3. Na ebreja me twa ma adwina so say Malachi chapter 1 by answer na chapter 3 ebeba. Chapter 1 no Onyankopon ka kira Israel for say omo de moa ebo afode a omo fa emoa papa ema afode ma no. Eni so obi de aboa papa eba afode ma Nyankopon wa. Odo so nyame be hira no. Na no so omo gyaye. Eni Malachi chapter 1. Eden na gani free chapter 1 na uhuri ko gina chapter 3. Enti semian so obaso osua de a usua ade onyame asemu a etwasa wo ye honest. Wo samo aka ye nyina de adanse se okra no a eti wo mu no. Eni asem American e ya adwen. Nemom nipadua no e na opesa wo ka asem no bia keke. But the point is say omo na tua nto so odudu no na omukum emoa e de bo afode. So obetua nto so odudu no wakum aboa de abo afode ene de a enka me no se da nya problem bia. Ne so wo jai aboa yekum na so so betua nto so odudu dia. What say asem no inconsistency about the whole kanimo.
All right. Now I'm say Facebook ho e de Mr. Moma Tony Honton kakra. Na ewiase bibia won ebre. Nya da bia na Tony be ha. We every menua George Kunsi wo. O say ha. Today Tony today you the mellow. Then them say Tony about form. All right, I will take all the messages from Facebook. Go ahead and say.
Asam kakra bia make ade ato so and say once asofo no akotu Malachi chapter 3 verse 10 no. Edi so omo akotu no several times. Ema abeto members no nyina adwene mo say jama wenyi entusu dudu a Onyankopon hira.
Yes, Malachi chapter 2 verse 10.
Chapter 3 no. Chapter 3. Yeah.
Okay.
Omo taught ni nyina ne say Nyankopon nam entusu edudu so. Ena ohira onipa. You true say Israel for abraso no. Na Nyankopon through the giving of the title no Nyankopon hira. But interestingly no Christosumu once I can kind 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 6 and verse 7 no. This giving you know verse 8 of 2 Corinthians chapter 9 you know. The blessings are a war honor. When Nyankopon Hana was one for Paul so as also can edit to us. Verse 8 you know. Or say, and God is able to make all grace abound to you. The first thing is say, all grace to abound to you. And I'll say, always having all sufficiency in all things, may have an abundance for every good work. Through the giving, ye give and what God blesses the giver now or give no accordingly no. It's say Christianity actually bibi say that's still as of no assign at the core back to the olden system of worship now. It's just a complete contradiction. Because so we since I started here analysis and I said the teachings are the so far no and ka obia ukon edo Christosom ho when you bring nyamesom papa no ho no you would actually have no question to ask with regards to this. But unfortunately no last week ya na your church will be say ya Amsterdam church mo ya visitors mo kakra ebi adwen no enyina no ye de apam dada ene apam foforo esom no ye de abom inte no yente apam ahodo a ewo chokonkro no emu no ase ɛno na ama yɛkɔfa title no a
Diamante ase na ye din.
na yɛde ababewura kristosom mu but we don't understand say Titan does not belong to Christianity and even so Titan belong to Christianity kra no so a like oniape naka no it isn't money and another thing say ebi akyerɛkyerɛ mu ara say kane no na sika ni hɔ nti ɛna nyankopɔn ɛma na ɔmo de ayɛmmoa ne ɛnɔbaeɛ no ɔmo yi so ntusu dudu but again Deuteronomy chapter 14 tete no
Japanese kura kyerɛ mu sɛ ɔmo gye sika yi ɛna ɔmo ɛma ɔba kunafo bi kura yɛ sɛ ne sempo ne kaprɛ da san kura woni kaprɛ ɔde bɛtɛ mu
ne sika wɔ hɔ but ɛno kura no nyankopɔn san so kyerɛ wɔ mo sɛ tight enya bedani sika yɛmfa masɔfo if tight were to be money
na kyerɛ sɛ nka tight no yɛ sika nka maame no kura no maame kura nim ko wamfa nkoto collection ana professor meboa sɛ ke sika nka maame no fa nkoto collection no
ɔno ade kɔhwɛ no
ɔde bɛ no how far sɛ be wi abusua no nkron abo me din Eddie Kingsley kwa me to for make on Facebook say kwesi can come please. I'm not clear with the explanation of donating to a church member. Oh, okay. To a church member whenever someone gives birth or died. Okay, I understand where you're coming from. Please, can you come again? Thank you. Contribution na aya obi wa na church din obi na I don't know o say can come so won tia se kra tumu so mo de ayi to no ade no won Professor Wadaroma sisu obi na ento asorefo bi asum
aja ya kyerɛ mu awie ankyerɛ mu a kyerɛ ne sɛ 1 Corinthians 16:1 and 2 no o say a collection for the saints sa sika no ayagye no ɛno abi ɔfe hu nsuo ɛno a de no ane nam enti sika aboa baako yenyi ne yan mienu enti sika no a yegye 1 Corinthians 16:1 and 2 no say a collection for the saints enti obi awo a enye bia na ebeyi ama no enti sa multiple taxation so to speak no and now wait for sika we fa eno na put nipa off ti sa we Church of Christ sa wo baye no a we na wakasa e de tia other denominations so aso on just kasa mutu of frɛ ti a collection yantu ne yie ni enyi bi empamwa woni a wo ho akire wo asafo ni mu
Simplicity Isaac Mesa the way by also benevolence is taken from the given. Okay. To us pa, say no benevolence no nanen. Collection here 2 year ya wi. Obi hia mo a won fa bi mo. That's all. Richmond Saki was a greeting from Takoradi. Tony they confuse himself. What do you have to answer? Okay. All right, this one also coming from this Konja. Sorry, man, to be pronounced with now the HMA. Was it what about offering of benevolence? All right, Tony, please come and let's go. We love you. No shy. Many about who fair gifty as your money free Germany and whatever. Was it Tony Matthew Woody, whatever my mesro? We in Federal Bians Rubia. Ntiere so for bia be kan o ma Bible so Church of Christ was on them straight akoso no abet no ba bi obi afre wan fi no because pe won kwaje we every asante mark e hono de ba o say Tony don't confuse yourself and I judge the ba o say ha Tony melo today you don't melo na so the Bible bi o nana echa o say ha o say na Alice Hammond so o say nsambo prima mo e kokromotie di say Isaac Mesa also the worldly church leaders are I don't get a word out the show. Yeah, boy, Philip. Was it teach them? You shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Give the same was no size. Professor no size. What my professor and church see no size. All right, Ralph. So the way I also greeting from Ghent Church of Christ. God bless you always. Hey, I the sister give to the Bible. And Rafal say, how gonna have bomb simsa, fair and fair, Cynthia Danso. Cynthia say, we will become Zambonwa, a fear dente. Prof, what aroma was all flower be or how a table, and then you made it. What is a flower? And I feel so, what a come be. abeto na krama na pija no sasa wa ma prima abe kwabra set so e born in sem na papa mavis me kind of my kind that obi am kind of me kind you know all right papa Makoma was it wow what a true church Kwame Bright was it oh okay please I'm not crying oh it's a mistake my people was serious no I did to be able to was that you know who identity na me all right I was say man to me can kind message ni na fa sha me nyame bo apa e bre no enti yes sorry so na yako Professor Dan Owusu Asiama just 2 minutes identity na oh my Ghana mu mampani ayana adwene se obesi cathedral e dia mo man no na wagina Adom TV so akasa dendenden warasa sofo okukudamfo ya kan bo mu ne ye boy nsem ma o mampani pra na okasetia saade no se emboa o man no why do you do that
I mean you made us you bibi o do mo abrofo fa no misplaced emphasis misplaced emphasis iwi ase ye di hia ansa ne aye de fata so they are there too. And I make us an Church of Christ where you come a buy free SHS here, ye, Yanquale, Omuko school. Saquala, that's when to your school fees. Sabi, a year for my baby or minimum. A year, Jumedia, Ubia, Naje, Sabi, a dafon biano, edutum say a yard papa. Nanumpo crano, Sicaya, Pedia, Sadian cra, a buying Shadenia. Emma, she say, and while a biko, a bosumi, you know, and not a biaco, not one acquaintance. Sir, unya si campagne saade no na sir usu kwa kwesi de ban cathedral ewo enkran ekroni mu cathedral sen asori ban sa nkrofo a yebo ba sofo yo magyata o maniasi wo mu hwan ana oni asori dan ko da ka uri ansa asori dan etise kuro ana da ho enti saade na o mo ani abre pa so o mo pe cathedral si o man mu no eye na ada asem se cathedral no e ho na Nyankopon betena Acts chapter 17, verse 24. Was it Yankopon ente asore dan ya de nsa dan asimu. It is asofo no da mampani no aka che ne say da bro yes sa ne nyamba betena ho a. Hwe West Africa fo nyina mo fa sa asem ntumatimu bi a wanyini kakra bi afa to tirim. Ho fe boyi ewo the Ivory Coast. Etna ho no mo edi Ivory Coast e ma no so no. Ivory Coast nya asumdwe sa ebi bebre mu na Ghana fo ye de ye ho eko compare wo mo a na enye yie na Ivory Coast atesa France trouble bia ma ho obi an costedi ku e de kopem se wo mo gitu mu e ma yesi cathedral e wo ya musukuro me ko ho e ko sa cathedral no e free eno so obi a wo share history biara e West Africa chekere se o mu see sa cathedral ni wie ye pe e na ku sam I started to Ivory Coast and Ivory Coast. Sabi answer that they am bio and the ne. Ho born any or courtism any idea and grow for you know. So man penny tell me that no see side and bring a couple of any idea no. One more casano, or more your money and it is all man penny no. Between man penny or Toronto, Canada, and was senior government and now you are no one so person will be see. Now you are no one so they have been said the one you corrupt Nisikana Onya and what you see, bra, young him.
I was also for Professor Dan Owusu Asiama. The point in here, okay, Cathedral no M1 no eno achire mo area achire no Takra de Central Church of Christ echiao onyaba kon akọ Kobina na ode by Evans Oforiata. I say thanks a lot for the good work, Professor. God bless you. There is a mame donko or woman say yenam kwanso aye ko Amsterdam. Na enjoy the program no as of your guest in was it Elder Bentum a Church of Pentecost Elder France. Nan say die yeti won kan che group no drama ho so na ka ya no wate din e na wo tie nko kan me kan no afi ye bo afle was me hwemo from Italy Richard Amankwa so ehwe no was more fire Beatrice Boateng good evening brethren good evening to you Beatrice Obenfo Hunter Isaac so chairman Jerry J Broke also of Daniel Moaben anyone I show my Ghana mo Edoson pa till I come your way same time next week nyame eya adoma ye besan ya ba mo che me dey Kingsley kwa me to for nanwray kwa bana subonte na that am fidie no e dey e ma me make I will say Professor ewo one more time obeba asida radio eye ukuada e dey animo a e bai sɛ mohu professor na kyerɛ sɛ ɛno bɛyɛ the radio program ɔbɛyɛ twa toɔ ɛwɔ Belgium aha ɛsɛ ɛna nwummerɛ yɛde Onyankopɔn wɔ ase ne ada wo nso wɔ ase dɛ bi wɛnkɔ ɛmfa ma ma na ɔne services sɛ na afei kɔ Bob's African Market wɔne boa yɛn ɛmɛ de dwumadie no ɛde ɛbrɛ mu ase dɛ bi wɛnkɔ ɛmfa ma professor ɛyɛ dan owusu asiama ɛna afei nso onyame nipa St. Paul anane ɔyɛ wo sɛmpakani ɛde ma Amsterdam Church of Christ. Like I'm your way same time this way. Do have a wonderful evening. My name is Kingsley Kwame 24. Stay blessed.